In this video, we'll show you how to fix an error on Windows 10 or 11. You might see this error when trying to enable the Microsoft Store on Windows LTSC. To fix this, we need to download a file and copy it manually to the System32 folder. First, download the Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft. Microsoft does not let us download the Windows 10 ISO directly from a Windows operating system, so we need to act like we are using a mobile device when visiting the download website. As you can see, we can now download the Windows 10 ISO directly. Make sure the language of the ISO file matches your current Windows language. Next, extract the downloaded ISO file using 7-zip. Go to the Sources folder inside the extracted files. Sort the files by size. You should see a large file named install.vim. Right-click on this file. Hover over 7-zip and then choose Open Archive. Go into any folder. For example, I'll go into the first one. Then, go to the System32 folder inside the Windows folder. Scroll down. You will find the file you need. Right-click on the file and select Copy to. Then choose a location on your computer to extract it. Finally, copy the extracted file to the System32 folder on your computer. As you can see, the error is now gone. You can now enable the Microsoft Store on Windows LTSC. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.